video we are going to see the assemble. So already we have done all the parts. Now we are going to do the assemble as per whatever they given over in the book. So the assemble, first the base part. Above the base part, the mover is to be placed over here. Before the tool holder is to be placed, certain things that balls as well as helical spring. So this screw, set screw and all we have to keep over there. Okay, so for this go to the option is called assemble. Then first I am going to move the base. So after moving the base for my recur, I am going to convert over there. So then here what is that I am going to place over here? Grip screw. First initially I am going to place the grip screw. So here the grip screw I am going to bring, select assemble. So base of this portion has to be placed, and in this hole this has to be placed. So one has to be done. Then same like the 4 holes we have to do. So this as well as this portion has to be placed, and axial alignment. So like this all the things. So select first initially this particular surface. Above the surface this particular component has to be placed. After that axial alignment in this cylindrical surface. Here also the cylindrical surface. Grip screw has to be created. So again bring this grip screw. So select the surface over here and this one. Then finally that this grip screw has to be aligned over here. Next thing, going to place the ball. Okay, so for bringing the ball, one more thing you have to remember. Select the ball. Here the option is called assemble. Then select the ball. Okay, so before that first you can select the ball, assemble, go on create the, change the show reference planes. Now what happens, assemble once in this particular mid plane, this particular mid plane. Okay, then I am trying to move up. After assemble this one. Okay, so in the next this particular plane as well as the mid plane. So what is the distance from there to here? That is the 52 mm. So I am going to give 52 mm now. 5 to 52 mm. So it goes over there, and with the help of this plane I am going to place over above the that V shape. Same like again I brought draw. I am going to click assemble. Here the construction display goes over here, the second option, show reference plane. I'm going to select the thing is which is the ball. This is the ball, and select assemble, show reference plane. So now again the same thing. So select this mid plane. So from here I'm going to move over here, and again the another mid plane. Here already I gave plus 52. Now I am going to give minus 52. Enter, and just you can move on towards left and right click. Okay, then again ball, click, so select a ball, assemble, construction display, and show reference plane. So now previously this plane as well as the middle plane we aligned. Now this plane as well as this plane I am going to assemble. So select this and from this one. Okay, so after assemble this plane as well as this plane, having the distance of 52 mm distance, and we can move towards or down. Okay, so again the next one, the one more bar. So select assemble. Before that, I'll select the component where the display is to be there. Display, and now from this to this, now I'm going to give the distance as minus 52. Minus 52. Now the next thing, this plane as well as this one. Now this will be moving towards the V shape. Okay, so like this same manner we have to do for the another one, that is called it as helical spring. So go over here, select the helical spring. First select the helical spring, assemble, go over here, construction display, near to the creating relationship box, select show reference plane. Now assemble from this one to middle, and having the length of minus 52, and from mid as well as this, and moving towards above the bar we have to place. Okay, so same like other things, helical spring, assemble, and show reference planes from here to mid. So now I am going to give 52, and from this one to middle. Now I am going to move this one towards down. That's it. So same like other things also, helical spring, assemble. So select, assemble over here, creating a relationship, show reference plane, this as well as this, and from this and the middle one. So having the diameter of 52 mm, sorry, not diameter, length of 52. So from here to make place over like this. So again, helical spring, select the this one, assemble, create that. So from this to middle, and just I'm moving, and from this to control set, assemble this to this as well as this to this one, having the diameter of minus or length of minus 50, enter. So move towards down, going to keep. Okay, so after keeping this, what to do the next step? I am going to bring the tool holder. So where is the tool holder? This is the tool holder I have brought. So the tool holder, assemble. So above this surface, this has to be placed in the opposite direction. Clip, as well as this has to be comes, and this one as well as this is the side. So some relationship it may be goes wrong, means better you can delete the component. Delete the component, and once again you can bring tool holder. So I'm going to place the surface, this one to the here in the opposite direction, and from this surface has to be comes over here Usually the plane has to be wrong. Control Z. So select assemble. The surface has to be placed over here. Flip. And this one, it has to be come over here. And this one has to be come over here. Or otherwise, we will rotate. Assemble this as well as this. So now we'll try to do the axial alignment. Otherwise, the first initial itself will do the axial alignment, then we will try it. So bring the tool holder, select the axial this as well as this. Now almost it will becomes correct. So the bottom, this is the bottom surface. Now this surface as well as this one. So almost this has to be done, but in the opposite side. Okay, so opposite side, yes, it is in the opposite side. So please be careful while before assembling which is the side it has to be comes over. So each and every time I am going to delete and then I bring, otherwise the problem it will be takes place for the alignment. So this as well as this one. So flip opposite side. Now based on this, rotate this one, and again I am going to rotate from here. This has helped. Okay, so after completing this, then goes to the screws as well as the mover has to be placed over here. So first the mover I am going to make the sub-assembly. Okay, there is the mover. Mover going to select, and mover and this one handle as well as the knob. Okay, so these are all the things. First I am going to sub-assemble the knob. So what is the knob length? Inside the knob it has to be go for 12 mm deep. Okay, so select assemble. So this particular surface, top of this one, so it has to be go for 12 mm deep. So 12, I am going to give 12, enter. So -12, so enter, it will be goes as well as rotate. Axial alignment, so that knob has to be assembled. Now I am going to do the this side. Now go to the mover. Okay, so assemble inside. Okay, so now rotate. Okay, so now the option is called here the move part view. Okay, so this has to be move part only in the x direction. View select assemble once again. Trying to select assemble or otherwise I'm going to control winner. Delete. Even this also I'm going to delete. Once again I bring there is a knob and handle. So knob and handle. So for knob and handle, rotate. This surface, this is the one, -12. So -12, enter, and inside. So this one. Now I'm going to select, try to select this one into the inside one. So first assemble. This is the one into the flip. So after that, trying to move with the help of move option, move part. So as of now, you can do it now. It's not an issue. It will be, this is there only in the inside only. Okay. The finally will check it. Then rotate. Now going to make this one to assemble over in here. Assemble bottom. This has to be assemble here as well as this one. Okay. So after assembling this, what is the next step? After assembling this, here the one more stud we are going to bring. Okay, the stud, select this as well as middle, and from to this one. So the stud has to be fixed over here. So we'll try to rotate. Okay. So after completing this, almost this screw, set screw I am going to place. So select set screw, assemble from here the bottom surface of the head, and give flip and axial alignment, this as well as this. Okay. Even we try to rotate the surface, rotated. Then again set screw, assemble. So from here this and this one, we try to rotate. So almost it will be fixed properly. Again set screw. So all the holes we have to going to keep this one. So first we are going to select the surface, flip. So after giving the flip, so select this as well as this one, and this one. So the remaining sides we will make it. And press this one as well. This one. So like all the sides you can keep and assemble this one. Select assemble this one as well as this, and Control Z, assemble, rotate this one has to place some of the holes. This one, select and set screw. This one. Rotate. Okay. So this as well as the middle one, and even you can keep like this also, it's not an issue. This one as well as surface of this surface goes to rotate, then select again assemble top, this one as well as the whole of this. This as well as this, and rotate. This surface, this. Then last set screw, select assemble, set screw, bring the first top of this one, and give flip, and axial alignment, this one as well as this. Okay, so after completing this, we have to save it. Okay, now we will try this one. So go to the zoom, assemble. So I'm going to still zoom, change it into the wireframe model. So select assemble, fit. So almost it will be goes into the inside only. So almost it will be goes inside only. So see over here. So we can stop it, then give fit, and going to save as a file, save as a assemble, and give save, and go to the file, create drawing, give OK, and next front custom. So front custom, you have to change, rotate, cancel. So go to the create drawing once again. Okay. So next front, change it to the front view. Okay, almost it's look like a front view only. So front, close, and top view, and finish. Okay, so now we want to do the trimetric view. So that is the thing has to be made for here. So create drawing once again. Create drawing. View okay, and next front custom. Almost it is the front view, so close, top and diametric view. I'm going to finish over here. Then going to change the sheet setup. A4 size sheet, show background on view. Okay. So you can bring and place over inside the sheets and give us a pick. Actually these are all the views we have to create. Go to here, let's call it as cutting plane. Select here from middle to this side and finish about this like this manner, and section plane this has to be drawn plus order. So the section view has to be created. After created the section view, then comes to change over here and click and go to here upload view. So fit, so the view has to be created. With that, save as assembly draft. Okay, here and to close it. So this front view as well as this top view we have to memorize and we have to draw well in the sketchbook. That's it, without having the dimension. The same shape you should have to bring over here. But before, not after the computer, before drawing the computer. So these are all the things we have to complete it.